Do you also feel like, I really want to learn English, but it just doesn't happen? You try so hard, but when you speak, your tongue freezes. You feel nervous the moment you have to talk in English. And then that little voice in your head says, maybe English just isn't for me. But wait, is English really that difficult? No. Honestly, learning English is super easy. You can learn it the same way you learned your mother tongue, without grammar, without memorizing sentence structures. When we were in school, English meant textbooks, grammar rules, and endless translations. If we made a mistake, the teacher would scold us. And slowly, fear settled in. Even now, that fear is still there. When we see someone speaking fluent English, we think, wow, they're so smart. And then we look at ourselves and think, maybe I'll never be able to do that. But you know what? You already mastered one language, your mother tongue. Did anyone teach you grammar back then? No. You listened, observed, copied, and one day you spoke fluently. Think about a little child. At first, they don't understand anything. They just listen to what their parents say, to what others say. Gradually, they start recognizing sounds, repeating words, and then speaking full sentences, without grammar, without vocabulary drills. That's the real secret. Language isn't something you learn from books. It's something you absorb by using it. Let's see how you can learn English exactly like a child, easily, naturally, and confidently. Spend a few minutes every day listening to English, YouTube videos, short clips, podcasts, or conversational video from this channel. Don't worry about understanding everything. Just listen. Your brain will automatically start recognizing patterns. Just like it did with your mother tongue, start small. Say short sentences like, I'm coming. Wait a minute. I need water. Let's go. Speak few sentences daily. You don't have to talk in front of others. Speak to yourself. Practice in front of a mirror or record yourself. You'll make mistakes, and that's perfectly fine. Remember, if you're not making mistakes, you're not learning. Try to use English as much as possible. Reply in English on WhatsApp sometimes. Write your Instagram captions in English. It'll feel awkward at first, but within a month, you'll notice real improvement. Language doesn't live in books. It grows through use. How many years did it take you to learn your mother tongue? At least 3 to 4 years? Then why give up on English after just a few weeks? English is just another language, not a test of intelligence. Everyone can learn it. All you need is consistency and belief. A child falls and gets up again. That's how learning happens. You'll make mistakes too, but each one brings progress. Do a little every day. Consistency builds confidence, and confidence builds fluency. So from today, promise yourself, I won't just learn English, I'll spend 5 minutes a day, listen, speak, and use it. Very soon you'll realize, wow, English really is that easy. If this message inspired you, hit the like button and tell me in the comments, which English sentence did you speak today? And yes, don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring videos.